love and positive vibes. You new subscriber, you returning subscriber, thank you so much. I value you, I appreciate you, and I love you so much for supporting me. I don't take it for granted, guys. And to each and everyone that take their time to comment and like the video, you are the real deal. Thank you so much once again. Now today I came across a viral video and I really got shocked because I know Jamaicans are peaceful people, especially the black Jamaicans. They are peaceful people and they live under the motto, out of many, one people. They respect all and they value all and they honor all, like we found in their national anthem and their pledge. They completely love respecting other people. They completely love helping other people. They completely love doing good to other people. And they love justice. But there is this thing that I saw which is happening in Jamaica that really made me think, why do these people disrespect the natives, the people they have found there? I know Jamaica is actually a multiracial nation. It is a combination of so many people, but the majority of the people in Jamaica are the black Jamaicans. But let me not talk about the Jamaica, or rather the people I'm not talking about the white Jamaica, because they have coexisted in Jamaica in a lot of peace to one another and they respect one another. But I think there is a group of people that come to Jamaica and they want completely to destroy the motto, out of many, one people. And they want to bring things that are not good to Jamaica, things that are disrespecting to Jamaican people, things that cannot be accepted by Jamaican people. What am I talking about? I saw a viral video of Jamaicans being very annoyed and very angry because there is some Chinese restaurant that are cooking dogs and actually giving to Jamaicans in the restaurants. It is very unfortunate because one thing that I know about Jamaica, and which I have been talking in this channel, is that Jamaicans are respectful. Jamaicans are people who love peace. And therefore, for a person to think that they can prepare a dog for the people of Jamaica to eat, it is very wrong. And those people that are doing it, I don't think they respect Jamaica. I know that some of the people that live in Jamaica, especially the Chinese, they eat dogs, they eat frogs, they eat crocodiles, they eat all those things. And they have accepted them as part of their food. But the Jamaican black people do not recognize dogs, crocodiles, and all that as meat. They recognize the meat that is coming from cows, goats, chicken, and so on, fish. But not the meat that comes from a dog or a crocodile or a frog. And therefore, for these people to come to Jamaica and actually do this on the land of Jamaica and actually attempt to give the Jamaican people, because they can prepare those things in their hotel and they eat. And one thing that I know, Jamaica, there are so many Chinese restaurants because there are so many China people in Jamaica. We looked at the projects that are going on in Jamaica, and most of the people that do those projects are actually Chinese. And therefore, there are so many in Jamaica, together with the Chinese native, the Jamaican Chinese. And therefore, it has to be, or rather, something has to be really taken care of by the government of Jamaica so that these people don't sell meat that other people do not eat. Just like the Jamaican people have respected all the people from all the corners of the world that stay in their land or that visit their land, then they should be respected. Maybe before I go too far, let me give a video of Jamaicans complaining about what was happening in the restaurants where dogs were being cooked. So have a look at it, then I'll come back.
All right. Me I wonder if me alone when me watch a video with the China boy we kill the dog and prepare the dog for go cook in a restaurant for get Jamaica people, brother. My blood run cold. My stomach sick, brother. You understand? Uno China boy, man, we start holding and start stab up on the neck. Uno fi lift up out of blood clot Jamaica. I don't know what kind of style that uno bring dog eating and come in a blood clot Jamaica. You understand? Uno fi lift up, brother. Yo, I just want to big up to the youth where catch the China boy upon the video, but me I gotta tell you this China boy. You see, if I did me catch a killer dog and I go cook him, give people, me can blood clot tell you this. Not even God could have saved you. One big stone would have given your blood clot bigger than turn you over. One big stone. So, all of the $60 million where them are charged, that can't rub out for you do. You know much dog meat you make Jamaica people eat, gone on the people belly. So all of the money where them are charged you, it can't rub out. If I did me can blood clot tell you that catch you. And one big stone me again on your blood clot head side and turn you over. Pussy when you come out there with the blood clot nasty living. You know to lift up all the people country now, man. And now alone fix the road. You understand? All the artists me used to go up there for him birthday go have lunch. That means the artists gonna eat dog meat then. Eh? Me used to Vice Cartel go have lunch for all him birthday up I see him blood clot restaurant. Me no never swear a lie, brother. That means a whole heap of out here do them something there, no? The amount of people who are go where you have some people at Jamaica, them love Chinese food, them love Chinese restaurant. The amount of dog meat them on them daily, brother, I don't know. Chinese don't go suck on the mama and lift up now. On the time done, on the time expire. Man I go start holding and start stab up on the head side. Pussy. Make you say, yo, we ain't a joking thing, we don't know. When you come down here, I want to take things, sir. Yo, I say when I watch the video, my stomach sick, you know, brother. My blood run cool, you know. Can just imagine how much people who not give them blood clot dog meat if you name boy. If I did me, see I do that. Me I give you one big stone and clap in the head side and turn you over. Make you go suck your mother.
He brush. Bobby. No, I would not eat Bobby like that. It looks so delicious, but no, pass.
People, when you start eating on the yard, see them find the Chinese people myself drunk or meat at Jamaica. You see how they make it nice like a turkey and Thanksgiving Day. And no fun have some drunker DNA now, you know, because you do not like to cook on the yard, especially uno dali. And someone have feed uno pitney look there. Look how drunker neck long man. My gosh, so drunker did a near man. A man start near back drunker now. Me can't understand the Chinese man, you know. They render evil for evil. Because if drunker did a near man, the Chinese man them say, listen to me. If you no near man, man can't near back drunker. Drunker near man, man near drunk.
POV. Can someone tell me what kind of meat this damn Chinese boy cook in a Jamaica?
Fried rice and pork. Fried rice and pork.
Yes, Jamaicans in Jamaica, overseas and abroad. I realize you all like to play, so let's play. Tell me why you have never seen a Chinese advertisement advertising food in Jamaica, yet Chinese restaurants are the most in Jamaica. I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer. Please don't cheat. Write your answers in the comment section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that you have put your answers together, you know why Chinese don't have to advertise their food? Because from the 1990s, the food industry already sold you all that meat is what you need for protein. Yet, animals eat grass and they need protein also, but they don't have to eat their own meat from their own siblings, right? I understand. So therefore, because the Chinese have studied the race, yes, the melanated tribe, and know that we have sold our souls to the meat industry and believe in their breakfast program injected in bio books, in the school's nutrition books. They know that they don't have to advertise meat and dead starch rice. So they got you. Bye. Boom. I'm out of here.
In China, frog meat is a delicacy, said to taste like chicken. Some believe it even has aphrodisiac properties. And the chefs? They can prep a frog in seconds. Would you try it?
哎呦我的妈呀，失误了，先简单好了，我这样式的不是能更好一点？哎，这个鲜呐，简单处理一下。鲜甜，好吃。
再把外头给脱了。哇，你看这尾巴好安逸，全是肉。我们先把这脚就上摆一下。爷爷，快给我抬一下！马上就可以出锅了。来点花椒面、海椒面。爷爷，瞅咋子，这咋子安逸？
好的。
我也吃过。
好吃。
安逸的好。
又麻又炸又香，是可以。
这鸡片弄的哈。
好的。
咱们下次加点蛋白质，我才说。
对的。
来，爷爷吃这个。
Yo, what's cooking? We are back by Fetu. We've got a saga full of what the hell is going on. My sister, I'm a grasshopper. Bamba, my proteas, bamba. Unkosi yami cricket yonke phela le. Wena Jumema, why? What happened maninganje? So you're just gonna as in, me I can't believe you're gonna eat this. But anyway, in a pan, Tata. What are you doing? Pedicuring or amputating? Okay, once you amputate them, you put what? What's that, salt? Does salt also kill them? Wena, Jumema, ngeroko akona ngazbe wayapi, but maybe kne flavor. So then, is that it? Let's try. Oh, okay, forest sticks. Chop. Puma pele nyana, tuana something, pra. Yes. Obu pele, nto ibaba yo sabo baba. You understand? And then sauce nyana, garlic nyana. Is that it? Is that it? Nah, let's try. Okay, then you mixer. You pregnant? Nangu mundu lama grasshopper pregnant. Uzo untwana. What a baby. PSG ufaga garlic powder mix. You've never seen me upset when somebody calls me during a video. Ah, god damn it, you ruined me, man. My sister, we are now on long for the live. Yes. You see how much I take this thing so seriously. Now I've lost my train of thoughts. Okay, we are paga. Sauce nyana. It's dry. Oh man, it's dry. My sister, why? Finally parring for the live. God freaking damn it. Okay, let's put me up. My sister didn't like karma create la. You still giving them pedicures? Ah, man.
White color chicken, you know it's from Orchid Garden Restaurant. You get a decent amount of food for a reasonable price. You can't go wrong with a $6.50 box of sweet and sour chicken and fried rice, or my favorite, chicken steak with sweet and sour gravy. You can find Orchids in Clock Tower Plaza half a tree. And me no know if the food just sweet so, or if it was a taste of nostalgia, but I instant food bunks just take me over. If you're Andrew's girl, testify down in the comments below for now, please. And until next time, keep it crisp and follow for more.
Come have Chinese food in Jamaica with me.
Back with another food review. Every time I go to Golden Bowl, the video blows up. Today I decided to try some new items to see if I'm gonna put y'all on or no. So you guys know I always get the choy fan. It's $2,800 and you get 4 meats and you can share it with your family. I got chicken and sweet corn soup, so good. And my dad got crab and sweet corn. We got fried wontons. Pork is inside. so good. But make sure you doctor it up with sweet and sour sauce, ginger scallion, and soya sauce. I also got a lychee daiquiri. It was also very good. I made my mom try it, and she's very picky when it comes to daiquiris because I don't like when the drinks are too sweet. This is how the wonton look when you docker it up. This is it. You get 4 meats. Sweet and sour pork is my favorite. And make sure you get the noodles. The seasoned noodles is so good. I don't really like rice, so it's good. I kind of got very full on the wontons, but make sure you eat it with a ginger scallion. That green thing right there, yeah. That's my thing. Make sure you ask for Nikisha when you come. And when you guys go, try the choy fan and wontons and let me know what you think. Bye.
This is a food that's 100 times better than McDonald's, the Chinese meat and egg burger. It's said that anyone who tastes it ends up wanting to live in China. Special machines let the chef make dozens of these burgers at once. Fresh eggs are cracked and poured into a hot pan. While the egg begins to set, workers flip it over to cook both sides evenly. Once the eggs turn golden and fragrant, they spread a layer of pre-seasoned pork filling on top. The meat might look simple, but it's a mix of wild boar and Wagyu beef. This unique combination creates a flavor that beats any other filling out there. It's the secret to why the owner has sold $30 million worth of these burgers. As the heat spreads through the pan, the beef and pork flavors blend beautifully. When the meat is about 70% cooked, a layer of batter is added on top to bind everything together. The patties are cooked until the bottom is crispy, then flipped to make both sides golden and crunchy. The seared meat locks in all the juices, with a slightly crisp exterior and a juicy, tender inside. The aroma of the seasonings is mouth-watering. The egg is rich and flavorful, with soft egg whites and a creamy texture from the yolk. The eggs and meat blend together perfectly, making the patty smoother and naturally tender. Each bite is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, rich in flavor, and full of texture.
Jamaican Chinese food is just undefeated to me. In all the countries I have been to, me is yet to taste a Chinese food as good as Chinese food in Jamaica. And I have to come here to make this video because whole heap of people come to Jamaica and talk about how KFC in Jamaica is the best. KFC in Jamaica is undefeated and nobody is talking about the Chinese food. Look for nice Chinese food cooked in a Jamaica. I mean, not enough for uno go to China, go be disappointed. And let me tell you, I have traveled to a few countries and I am yet to taste Chinese food as good as this here that you see on the screen. All of this was made in Jamaica with love. Look for nice, all the different style. And you can see some I eat no land animals, a beer fish and them thing there, but look at this. A beer cabbage them I use. If you go to Central and South America, no like a pack showing nothing green. The thing just look white and just pale. They might give you good amount of shiny food still. This one here in Panama wasn't so bad. The stream, the rice they will make it will dry and it just never make it. But the shrimp them did good. Them insist on good and thin, and the amount did good and the price did good too. But it's not a 10 out of 10 experience. We are yet between Panama, Colombia, and Brazil. Yet to have a 10 out of 10 shiny food experience. So may I come pan uno in the comments to let me know which country in the world uno have been to that can match the flavor and the succulence of Chinese food cooked in Jamaica. And me for sure have to book a ticket go over that stuff because me would have to go and experience it for myself. This year was in Colombia and it wasn't so bad because the lady there come from Hong Kong, so we don't disappoint that much, but still it's not the same. I know that them have to adjust them because to fit the crowd that them catering to. So, you know, for Jamaica it will be more spicy and thin, but still the colors and so, not a day. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.
Guys, you can agree with me that these Jamaicans are not happy. And no one can be happy when you are fed something that you don't eat, you don't like, and it is being done in a very, very fun way because you are not told this is dog meat, this is what meat, you choose what to eat. And we all know that Jamaicans are very good at preparing their food. And they like taste the food. And therefore, I'm sure you cannot lie to Jamaicans that this meat belongs to a cow or a goat or a sheep. They already know the kind of meat they eat, and they can be able to differentiate between goat meat, cow meat, sheep meat, and dog meat, and wild meat. And therefore, it is good to coexist with each other with a lot of respect. The people of Jamaica were very, very annoyed, and they have a reason to. It is very disgusting for some of us. Maybe to some people that is not a big deal. But it's like I am a Kenyan. We don't eat such kind of meat. And then there is a restaurant that prepares that kind of meal, and they don't tell us that this meat has come from a dog. I would feel very, very bad if I ate that kind of meat. And therefore, mine was just to actually ask the government of Jamaica should intervene so that these such restaurants are closed down. They should not feed people with something that people don't eat. I saw in the comment section, I don't know where my phone is. In the comment section, I saw many Jamaicans actually commenting on that. There were so many Jamaicans that were commenting on that. Maybe I can first get the phone, then I'll come back. Yeah. So guys, these are the comments from the people of Jamaica after this video went viral, that this Chinese was actually preparing dog meat in a restaurant and actually giving to Jamaican people. One of the Jamaican, who is called Hibiscus, actually Hibiscus, says the dog meat is very corrupt to the Iradas and disgusting and insulting to Jamaicans. I am absolutely outraged. The people of Jamaica were very annoyed, and they have a reason to get annoyed. Why should you come and actually prepare such kind of meat and give to the people? What else can you give to the people? It is very, very bad. Another one says, this is Christine. And she says, I have never seen Chinese in a black restaurant eating our food. I've never seen it. So this one is saying, she has never seen a Chinese eating in a restaurant of black people, and maybe warning the black people not to be eating food from the restaurant of Chinese, because you don't know what you are eating. You don't know what they can cook. To them, those foods are delicacy, because I've seen so many videos of China where people, where they actually display all types of meat, including the frogs. And therefore, it is very, very important to be careful where you enter to actually eat the food. And this one says, I don't eat their food. And this one says, anyone who is not a Chinese that goes to a Chinese restaurant, not right in their head. In other words, he's telling people you should not enter Chinese restaurant because they can cook anything and you'll be forced to eat food that you don't know what they are. So this one is commenting, David Sajat. He's saying, soon from now, Wana will have no dogs left in Jamaica. He's saying that all the dogs will be eaten and there'll be no dogs left in Jamaica. It's not a laughing matter, but that is funny though. That there'll be no dogs left in Jamaica. So guys, it was very, very unfortunate actually for this video to realize that there can be somebody in Jamaica who prepares food that is not part of Jamaican culture or the type of food that Jamaicans eat. It is very, very unfortunate. And we have been warned that you should not eat food from a Chinese restaurant or any other restaurant that does not belong to black Jamaicans, because people have different ways of preparing their food. People cook different things, and it is allowed in their country. And therefore, coming to Jamaica, they can also think that it is normal to prepare such kind of food and expect the people of Jamaica to actually consume it and eat it. So it's you to be careful where you enter to eat food, and also the government can intervene so that they don't prepare food, such kind of food, to restaurants that are used by everybody. If it is a Chinese restaurant, which is actually, it is the Chinese that eat from there, then they can prepare those Chinese food. But if this restaurant, everybody comes to eat, then they should prepare the right kind of food for the people that are coming to that particular restaurant. Guys, I think that is to be the end of the video. Thanks once again for watching our video. See you during the next video. Bye bye and God bless.